everyone, I'm Andrea, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Today, I'll be guiding you through the use of the PELEGON step aid with handle, a sturdy, adjustable height stool designed to support up to 300 pounds. This device is tailored to assist you with your mobility requirements, such as getting into bed or reaching for items in a high place. Before we begin, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider to ensure this product suits your specific needs. Remember, these guidelines are not a substitute for medical advice. To start, adjust the step aid with handle to a comfortable height, ensuring you can step up and down easily without straining your knees or hips. For more assistance on adjusting the height of the handle or the base, please check out our assembly video on the step aid page at pelegon.com. Before stepping up, establish a firm grip on the handle, which is there for your support and stability. Make sure you're balanced before stepping up or down. Ideally, the handle should be on the side opposite your weaker leg. Remember, it's crucial for your safety to apply pressure downward on the handle, not sideways, to avoid tipping the step aid. When stepping up, lead with your stronger leg while holding onto the handle. Once on the step, ensure your legs are stable. If you ever feel unstable or experience pain or discomfort while using the step aid, stop using it immediately, and please consult with your healthcare provider. To step down, begin with your weaker leg, using your stronger leg for stability. Remember the mantra, up with the good, down with the bad. These guidelines are designed to help you use a PELEGON step aid with handle effectively. We are committed to supporting you and maintaining your mobility every step of the way. Take care and thank you for your time. Bye-bye for now.